Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to bring you our factory real shot showcase of towable scissor lifts. If you're into heavy-duty lifting solutions, this one's for you. Now our staff will start up the equipment. The equipment allows you to choose three-phase currents, batteries, or internal combustion engines as power sources. In addition, it is equipped with a manual hydraulic pump for use during power outages. Control to move forward. Even first-time users can operate the equipment safely after a 10-minute training session. The pedal extension platform can spread to the working point quickly. Folding legs, beautiful appearance, simple operation. The integrated intelligent control panel features intuitive function buttons and also supports wireless remote control. Operators can precisely control the lifting and movement from a safe distance, enhancing operational safety in high-risk environments. The electrical box is fixed on the platform base and assembled with the emergency stop button. When the button is pressed in an emergency, the platform will slow down. Don't forget to turn off the switch after the demonstration. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a message.